So we're out here on this rainy day to do a review of the HP Corse SP2 titanium high mount exhaust for the Tenere 700, in this case World Raid. So in this video we're going to do a quick before and after sound comparison. I'll let you know how easy the install was, and I'll give you my honest thoughts on the build quality and the sound quality of this high mount exhaust. So in a second I'll show you some footage from a private road where I did some sound testing. But first I will just say this exhaust is extremely high quality. The finish on it, the welds, the build quality, it's really premium feeling and it looks amazing. It is a lot lighter than the stock exhaust, and it doesn't use the stock bracket, so it means if you fall off the bike you're not going to bend the subframe, and it's a high mount, so it's better for water crossings if you're doing true adventure riding, so it is all round a massive upgrade.
Okay, I'm not going to bore you with the full install video, but I will put it on. I will obviously let you know if it was difficult or easy, and I'll show you the finished result. Okay, the old exhaust is off, and the first impressions is just how heavy it is in comparison. This feels like it weighs probably 3 times as much as this titanium one. Okay, so the exhaust is on. It was actually really simple. It probably took me about 10 minutes. And the first thing that jumps out is just how much better it looks than the standard one. The positioning, the fact it's silver, just looks incredible. The only main thing to note is that this is not compatible with the standard number plate fitment or aftermarket tail tidies in general, because they position the indicator here where it melts it really quickly. So there is tail tidy options for high mount exhausts that mount the indicator underneath here. For now I've loosened this in its fitting, cable tied it down at an angle, so it's still there, it's still functional. It's just completely out of the way of all these hot gases.
Like I say, we'll head on over to the sound test now, but the immediate thing you notice on the bike as a rider is the bark. It is much more of a bark when you give it some. And through the mid-range as well, it's just a little bit louder and just sounds a little bit more serious, you know, like it means business, where the stock can sounds a bit muffled. But it is not obnoxiously loud, I want to make that clear, because that's a hugely important thing for a lot of people, including myself. It's not really loud, it doesn't drone, it idles at almost the exact same volume as the stock can. So I'll show you the before and after comparison now, and you can decide if it's the exhaust for you. HP Corse SP2 titanium high mount exhaust for the Yamaha Tenere 700. I'm certainly happy with it. I hope you will be as well if you choose to purchase. It is a nice exhaust. And if you want to see more like this, more adventure content, enduro and moto camping, please consider subscribing. If you found the video useful, please drop a like. I'll catch you in the next one.